Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. If it's raining, you're in trouble. Please fix your window, fix your power window. We have a problem here. It get messed up with my friend here, and this is 2005.
But you can find a switch to put here for me.
What happened is this switch here is messed up. So, but guess what? If you push this one here, this one here, does the window go down automatically? Look now. I'm gonna push it and look at the window. I'm gonna push it here. You see the window go down.
Yeah.
So now, what happened was he used this machine. This one here is messed up. He used to open it by using the other window. So can you use it? Where is your hand? Can you open it for me there? Open that window.
With my window?
No. Where is the piece you have? Where is the piece you used to open it?
It's right here.
Yeah. No, the bracket.
Oh, the bracket is there.
So open it. You see the back scratch? He used it to open the window. Open it now. See? So he used to pull it. See? He used to open it, but today it doesn't want to work. What happened was, look at this here. You see this here? This is the security for the window, so nobody can play with it. So this one was on. Now that one will not go up, will not go down, because children, they used to play, or people used to play with the windows, especially kids when you drive. So that's what make this. So by mistake you open this one here. You push this one here, the window go down. It work from here. You see, the window go down now. So now try to open it. Try to pull it.
Close it.
Yeah, close the window. You see, never work. That's where you're stuck. Okay. Nothing wrong with it, only this side. So I'm gonna turn this one off. Now turn it off. Take it off. Now it's on. There is no problem with the motor. Nothing. So instead of how many minutes you waste? Since yesterday, right? You stuck.
Last night.
Since last night. If it's raining, that means everything is messed up here. So when you have a problem, electrical problem, do not delay. Go and fix it. Quick. Buy even used one. Take this one out.
Yeah, take it out.
Take this one out
and buy another one.
Buy another one and put it. And you are driving a $10,000 car. Why you mess it up? And now for whole year, the value thing that you scratch is your back. Now you use it in a car. Come on, man. That's. If this company know that. Anyhow. Thank you for watching. This is kind of a little bit of trick of electronic. My name is Mohamed, mobile electronic diagnostic, and my best friend there. Please be safe and fix your car the right way. See you in another video. Please share, subscribe, and like YouTube channel. Thank you.
That's it.
You're gonna